Hello everyone, I'm Rashwan Raj Ravichandran and I'm happy to present my project named Plantcare as it gave me an opportunity to study the living in this environment, which are plants, and to work on nourishing it more by designing this project. Growing your own plant is difficult since it takes a great deal of information about temperature, space, fertilization, and watering, among other things. Apart from that, there is another essential factor: illnesses. Just like humans, plants have diseases, and being able to recognize them early and find a solution is critical to keeping the plant alive. As a result, I created an AI-powered plant care system to predict plant illnesses. Let's take a look at some of the issues we have with traditional techniques. For starters, it takes years of expertise to learn how to recognize different sorts of plant illnesses, which makes it difficult for someone attempting to cultivate their own plant. Many plants may perish as a result of this lack of understanding while attempting to discover a remedy, not to mention agriculture's contribution to greenhouse gases. As a result, the goal of this research is to develop a model for identifying plant disease. Second, by giving causes and solutions to specific diseases, the model may be used to assist avoid or conquer disease. Finally, to be able to implement the model to an application. Implementation-wise, the model itself was built using Jupyter Notebook Anaconda, followed by mobile application development via Android Studio. Visual Studio Code is used to construction of API needed for the application, and the Postman acting as a temporary client for testing purposes. Without further ado, let's have a look at a system demonstration. When it comes to the system's strengths, it is simply built, making it simple to use and navigate through without the need for a tutorial. The system's accessibility, which allows it to be used at any time and from any location to predict leaf diseases. Furthermore, as for the weaknesses of the system, it can only predict up to 6 diseases: pepper bell bacteria spot, pepper bell healthy, potato early blight, potato late blight, tomato yellow curl leaf virus, and tomato healthy, which means that any disease other than those 6 can't be predicted by the system. Not to mention the system's delay in delivering results, which adds to the time-consuming nature of the process. The application is exclusively designed for Android 8 or higher, which means ISO users will not be able to use it. As a result, the proposal for future improvement is as follows. First, provide more data so that various types of plant diseases can be predicted, making the application more dependable. Second, we can't forget about our ISO users, who contribute for 27% overall ISO users. Making it available to them as well will be fantastic. To summarize, this project achieves research objectives to use deep learning for plant disease detection. The performance of classification with environmental sensing and picture processing aids the user in more accurately detecting plant illness. The system successfully detects the aimed 6 diseases with an accuracy of 93.3%, which makes the project successful. This research is expected to help the farmers and plantsmen with the early identification of leaf diseases to improve the quality and productivity of crops and plants. Thank you for listening.